Hi Year 12, this lesson we're doing the product rule. And you'll need this booklet. Open at this page. Okay, so what's the product rule? We use the product rule when we have two functions multiplied together, hence the word product. And the product rule allows us to differentiate them without expansion. So if you have a look down at this example here, we've got one function and another function multiplied together. We can't expand that, it's simply too messy, and so we use the product rule to help us differentiate. Now the product rule is actually really easy, but I need to teach you some notation first. So v dash of x is the derivative of v of x. And that's important because we use these letters to help us simplify the rule. Okay, and here's the rule. F dash of x equals v u dash plus u v dash. So it means the second function times the derivative of the first plus the first function times the derivative of the second. Now it actually doesn't matter which order you get it in, and you'll see up here it's a slightly different order they've written it in. That's completely fine. So let's have a go at this question here. So u is my first function, v is my second. So u is always first, v is always second. U dash is the derivative of the first. V dash is the derivative of the second. Okay, so y dx equals v u dash plus u v dash. So what's v? This is v here. So we need to write that down, 2x plus 1 cubed. And then what's u? So now we need to differentiate u. So we might want to do that over on the side. Square root of u equals, square root of x equals x to the half. Bring the power down, decrease the power by 1. Okay, so minus a half, x to the minus a half, plus a half, put that in brackets. Okay, next bit. We've done v u dash. Now we've got to do u. So the u is there, plus v dash. Now this one's going to get a little bit complicated. We need to find the derivative of this. So you need to think about your chain rule. 3 comes down. The inner function stays the same. The 3 decreases, and we multiply by whatever's inside the bracket. And it's okay to leave the function like that. That's an okay answer. I encourage you to watch that example a couple of times until you get the hang of it. Okay, so this time we've also got two functions multiplied together, u and v. So we need our rule, vu dash plus uv dash will give us the derivative. Okay, so dy dx equals v, so that's x squared minus 2x to the power of 4, times by u dash, that's the derivative of u, which is 2x, plus u, which is x squared, times the derivative of this, which is a chain function. So bring the 4 down, keep the inner function, decrease the power, and now differentiate what's inside the function. 2x minus 2. Now we can tidy this one up a bit. We've got 4 to x squared, so that's 8x cubed, x squared minus 2x to the power of 4, x squared minus 2x cubed, and 2x minus 2. I'd really encourage you to do this question by yourself. Pause the video and then come back and check and see if your solution was correct. So vu dash plus uv dash. There's my u and v. U is always first. So dy dx. So 2x plus 1 cubed times 4 plus 4x times by, now here's the chain rule again. You won't always get a chain rule. These ones just happen to be. And it's good practice for us. So I've got some numbers there. 2 3s are 6, 4's 24, 96. X, 2x plus 1 cubed, 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, well done if you got that. What I'd like you to do are the questions in 2D. I've put the answers, the work solutions, into the video, so you can just keep playing the video and check your answers as you go. Some of the working out is a little bit different, but that's okay. You can, if you want to, follow the working out from the textbook, or you can follow my working out. You'll get the same answer either way.